Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you guys are new here, definitely go down and hit that like and subscribe button. And if you're returning, welcome back. We have a part 3 to the Hot Wheels Amazon Black Box, Box J. And we're going to go ahead and bust these things open and hopefully we get the Super Treasure Hunt. I had 2 previous videos on the Case J and Amazon labels it as Case I. The card backings from one of the previous videos, it has a J right there. So these are Case J cars. So I really hope we get the Super Treasure Hunt in this video because that would be absolutely amazing. Let's go ahead and get started with cutting these seals open and see what's in here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pull out the first two, go ahead and get started. So you have the Porsche 911 GT3, and then we have the 84 Pontiac Firebird. We have the Honda Civic Custom and the 62 Corvette Gasser. We have Batman the Animated Series Batmobile and then the Solero GT. The tuned twin mill, and we got the treasure hunt right there. It's the 95 Jeep Cherokee. That's the regular treasure hunt, and if you do it upside down, it's easier to see the treasure hunt logo and the text right there behind the car. So we'll go ahead and set that aside. And I'm still really hoping we get the Super in this case. Let's go ahead and pull these out. So we got the Lucid Air, the Count Muscula, we have the 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth and the Nissan Maxima Drift Car. The tuned 83 Chevy Silverado and the 84 Mustang SVO. And unfortunately, we do have a casualty. The Chevy Silverado does have a cracked blister. So what we're probably going to do is I'm probably going to open this thing up, and I do have that Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. So I might be racing this one on the track here in the near future. The card is actually really nice on this one, but unfortunately that blister does have a big crack in it, which you can kind of hear. So I'm probably going to be opening that one up to be able to race. So that'll be pretty awesome. So definitely stay tuned for future videos. I will be doing like the 6-lane raceway, doing big tournaments and stuff like that. So I do plan on having a pickup truck series, or at least a pickup truck like 6-car race, and then take the winning truck and then move that on to a bunch of other cars. So that'll probably be in the truck race. So definitely stay tuned for that. Hit the subscribe button. But let's continue on. We got the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300L and the custom 2011 Camaro. And that's the last 2 cars for this case. So we're going to go ahead and set this box aside, and then we're going to bust open the other one. And I'm really hoping that this has the Super in it. I'm really hoping for it. Or I'm hoping for a different variety, because a lot of times they'll take these cases and they have, I think there's like a few different like variants. You'll get a bunch and they'll all be like the exact same or just slightly different. And then other ones, the order of which they're packed is completely different. And sometimes you get different cars, because we still have not gotten that older Supra. I forgot what year, I think it was like 82 or something like that. We still have not gotten the Supra. So let's go ahead and open up this case. And even like that Supra in like the regular form still looks really cool. So I really want to get that. But hopefully we get the Super in this case. But we will know here in just a few minutes. We got the first 2 cars. So right off the bat, we got the tuned twin mill and the 95 Jeep Cherokee. And unfortunately, this does have like a slightly messed up card. It's just on the back side. The rest of the card looks pretty good. But we got another treasure hunt there. So we're going to take the 2 side by side. We got double treasure hunts in this video, but let's move on. So we got the Batman Animated Series Batmobile and the Solero GT with a little bit of crease damage, actually quite a bit of crease damage on the card right there. I don't know if you can really see that, but I already do have an open one of these to race, so I'm not going to open up that one. Alright, so we got the Honda Civic Custom and the 62 Corvette Gasser. the Porsche 911 GT3, and the 84 Pontiac Firebird. The Lucid Air and the Count Muscula. All right, the custom 2011 Camaro and the Nissan Maxima drift car. The tuned 83 Chevy Silverado and the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300L. And the last two cars in the case, we have a 84 Mustang SVL and a 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth. So unfortunately, we did not get the Super Treasure Hunt. We did 3 parts to this and 6 of these Amazon black boxes total, just trying to get that Supra. And I'm kind of surprised that we didn't even get like a variation of this case. I've done, as you can see, I've done a lot of these case unboxings, and a lot of times I'll get like multiple cases, and you'll get a couple that are like the same, like kind of like stacked in exactly the same, and then sometimes you get another case where they're like completely different cars, or you get some of the same cars, but for example, I did not get the Supra in either of these. So other cases I'm sure are different setup. Maybe they don't have the Porsche, but instead they have the Supra. Maybe a few of the other generics are swapped out as well. But I did at least get 2 regular treasure hunts. So those are pretty cool. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button. As you can see, I do a lot of other videos. I even have this cool display case I did a video on. So definitely hit that subscribe button so you guys can see all those other videos when they go live. Also, links in the description down below for all of this stuff. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.